Common nail problems and how to fix them. Welcome to Nail Wonderland. Today, we're diving into common nail problems and how to fix them. Whether you're dealing with brittle nails, peeling, or discoloration, we've got you covered. Grab your favorite nail care products and let's get started. Brittle nails. Brittle nails can be a real hassle, breaking easily and sometimes painfully. This issue often stems from a lack of moisture or exposure to harsh chemicals. To combat brittle nails, keep your nails hydrated by applying a good quality cuticle oil at least twice a day. Massaging the oil into your cuticles and nails helps improve circulation and promotes healthier nail growth. Use a rich hand cream regularly. Opt for creams with ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E, and glycerin, which are known for their moisturizing properties. Steer clear of nail polish removers containing acetone, which can strip your nails of essential oils. Instead, choose acetone-free removers. Peeling nails. Peeling nails are a sign of dryness or damage, often resulting from overexposure to water or the use of harsh nail products. To address peeling nails, try to keep your nails dry and avoid soaking them in water for long periods. When doing household chores, wear gloves to protect your nails from water and cleaning chemicals. Always use a base coat before applying nail polish. This acts as a protective barrier, preventing nail polish from staining and weakening your nails. Incorporate a nail strengthener into your routine. Look for products with ingredients like keratin and biotin, which help fortify your nails. Discolored nails. Discoloration can be caused by nail polish, smoking, or infections. To tackle this problem, use a gentle nail whitener or create a natural solution by soaking your nails in lemon juice for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemon juice has natural bleaching properties that can help lighten stains. Mix 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide with half a cup of water and soak your nails for a few minutes. This can help remove stubborn stains. If discoloration persists, it could indicate an underlying health issue or fungal infection. Consult a healthcare professional for appropriate treatment. Splitting nails. Splitting nails can result from overexposure to water or harsh chemicals. To prevent this, wear gloves when performing household chores, gardening, or any activity that involves water or chemicals. Refrain from using your nails to open cans, scrape surfaces, or perform other tasks that could cause them to split. Regularly apply a nail hardener to strengthen your nails and prevent splitting. Look for products with calcium and protein which help reinforce nail structure. Hangnails. Hangnails are painful and can easily get infected if not properly cared for. To manage them, resist the urge to bite or pick at hangnails, as this can lead to infection. Use clean nail scissors to carefully trim hangnails close to the base. Keep the skin around your nails hydrated by applying cuticle oil or hand cream regularly. This helps prevent the formation of hangnails. White spots. White spots on nails are usually caused by minor trauma or a deficiency. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Include foods high in zinc and calcium, which are essential for healthy nails. Most white spots will grow out over time. Be patient and avoid activities that might cause trauma to your nails. Ridges. Ridges can be vertical or horizontal. Vertical ridges are common and usually harmless, while horizontal ridges can indicate underlying health issues. Gently buff your nails to smooth out vertical ridges. Use a 4-way buffer to avoid overbuffing and thinning your nails. If you notice horizontal ridges, consult a doctor, as they could be a sign of health issues such as nutritional deficiencies or illnesses. Thanks for watching Nail Wonderland. These tips should help you manage and fix common nail problems. Remember, healthy nails are a reflection of your overall health, so take good care of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail care tips and tutorials. With these solutions, you'll be on your way to having strong, healthy, and beautiful nails. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your nails in top shape.